Well, swimsuit and shorts weather is officially upon us. Hello, I'm Dr. Callie Seymour from Chattanooga's premier weight loss clinic. And today I want to introduce you to two of our super cool products to help you get ready for summer. The first one is our body contouring wraps. During our body wraps, we use this cream, this body wrap cream, which is basically a combination of B vitamins and cinnamon along with a lot of natural oils. This 100% natural, 100% organic herbal blend helps you lose anywhere from 4 to 14 inches in just one wrap. Our second product is our anti-cellulite lotion. Now this product's formulated for daily use, so you can put it on trouble spots to help look and feel your best in your swimsuit and shorts. So if you or anyone you know or love, your coworkers, family, friends, might be interested in these products, feel free to like or share this video. And as always, feel free to give us a call at 423-702-4655.